Say goodbye to endless links and hello to chatting with Google. Google's new AI mode for search is here, acting like ChatGPT to answer your questions and even plan your trips. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into this game-changing update from I/O 2025. Stick around, you'll want to try this now. GadInsider, your go-to for tech, gadgets, and AI breakthroughs. Google I/O 2025 just unveiled AI mode for search, rolling out now across the US. It's not just a search engine anymore, it's a conversational AI that rivals ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's break down how it's changing the way you Google. AI mode turns search into a chatbot. Ask something like, plan a weekend getaway, and it gives you a summary, itinerary, ideas, and even price comparisons, all powered by Gemini and Deep Search. No more digging through links. It's like having a personal assistant. Plus, AI overviews are stealing the show. These Gemini-powered summaries pop up at the top of certain searches, already reaching 1.5 billion users monthly. Whether you're researching tech or shopping online, AI mode understands your questions and handles tasks like a pro. Why is this big? Google's shifting search from links to actionable info, making it smarter and faster. Expos are buzzing. Users love how it feels like chatting with a friend who knows everything. It's live now, so you can try it on your phone or browser today. From trip planning to quick answers, AI mode is Google's bold step into the future. With I/O 2025 setting the stage, this is just the start of smarter search. GadInsider fam, what will you ask Google's AI mode first? Drop your wildest query in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider for all the tech hype.